Morning there, whānau. My bloody my gasket maker leggy tyre fix is working. I haven't put any more air in it and it's still holding, so that's good. Probably run it like that for a few months. Oh, bloody good. I'm just at back at Mahi today. Hi there, whānau. Thought I'd get a bit of a video of some niggering. If you're into that, just load out the brother. Oh shit. Get some dirt out. Yeehaw! This is what my days consist of most of the time. Got old mate here in the tough 510 Mitzi tractor unit. Nice big trailer on the back. The 510 boost. Naughty unit, that one. The boss Justin has a very nice taste in trucks and what he does to them. Some nice builds in this company, for sure. The brother here, another beautiful unit from Hamley Haulage. He's just taking away some chip waste. Just down there. The brother Carlos on the loader, going to load up the bro. It's a bloody nice Western Star, isn't it? Bloody beautiful day today. That's good. The weather was a bit crappy yesterday. Monday yesterday. I had yesterday off, as you probably know, to fix my American bloody Bighorn. It's very full. Yeah. He's off back up the top to our aggregate bins. Here, brother. The brother Kev. Sheesh. Bloody boost. I've been operating machines since I was around 8 years old, believe it or not. My late father taught me how to operate machines, Glenn Campbell. When I was a young fella. Appreciate him for that. He sadly passed away when I was about 11. That's what it is. Shit happens. But yeah, at least he gave me these skills for life. Taught me how to drive. Gotta love it. But I was actually a concrete layer for 10 years. Straight out of school. I was about 15, became a concrete layer. I'm 25 now. Oh, sorry. Fuck. Missed a couple years there. I'm 27 now. And I've been working at Hamley here for roughly 2 years. You gotta love your job, whānau. If you don't love your job, go get one that you do love. I love concrete laying, but after 10 years it got, got a bit over it. Decided to go become an operator. Because obviously my father was an operator and it's something I've always wanted to do. I was going to work with my old man at a young age, for school holidays and on weekends, learning things. Bloody good. Yeehaw. And that's what makes me the money to be able to go do all the stuff I enjoy doing on the weekends. Like wrecking my shit. Doing all your shit with the booze. Yeehaw. Yeah, fucking beautiful day. Up the small horn. Stop giving me problems, you dog. Now, a little bloody oven we got here in the office for a whole bloody pizza in there. We got a vending machine. I spend half my wages on that most of the time. Ooh, yeah, looks good to me. Ground tongs, ground tongs, ground tongs. Too bad lunch there, whānau. I give this pizza a solid 4 out of 10, whānau. A fucking $3 pizza from Packers Ave. I don't think I'll be getting those again. Without putting some extra fucking toppings on. Yeah. Food's food, man. We out here. Yeehaw. Okay, to go forwards a bit more, bro. Alright, whānau, we got the very back for another load. Ah! Check the tailgate. Yep, the tailgate is closed. Get out and check yourself, you lazy fucking truck driver. Yeah. Oh, I'm bloody full now. Be bloody Live Plus. Oh, fuck. I just dropped my fucking drink. Feel bad. Shout out to Live Plus. You guys should sponsor me. Sponsor me antics, mate. And some free Live Pluses. I like the green ones. But I'll settle for a yellow. Settle for a yellow belly. Boys are roll. Fuck, hopefully they give me some more trucks, eh? Because, I'm really not fucking with just this whole one truck thing. Keep me busy, boys. Keep me busy. Smashing the chip paste out over there. Bloody wood. Bloody wood. Steel in there. Gotta watch out for me hydraulic hoses. Oh, you would, wouldn't you? See if we can get that in there. There we go. Yeah, gotta watch out for me hydraulic hoses. I've blown them a couple of times. Yeah, it doesn't make the boss too heavy. We'll get another fuck come hunting for a bloody hydraulic hose. We don't want that. Fill them up. Yeah, let me know. We'll see how this video goes. If you enjoy it, I'll do some more of them. Change it up a bit. I'll try not to get the same shit every day, but yeah. Just let us know. Because I can smash out some content like this because of me every day. And we'll be Transforming antics on the weekends. These ones are Transwork antics. It's ye, breathe up. Let me mix a little bit on the bed. Come on, get a little bit bitter. Yeah, a little bit flattened out. Roger. outback. Load him up. The brother Heavy behind him. Another big bad Western Star. Tough start. Actually, I think it was Dan in it, not Heavy. There's Heavy's truck though. You mate. Away you go. The big bad tough star. Naughty unit. I am Hope. Drop the bucket right in these alley bins so we don't dent them up or hurt them at all. Nice and light, nice and light. And to be nice and gentle. Very gentle. These trucks and bins are not cheap, we don't want to mess them up. Once we got a couple buckets in, we can start nice and easy dropping it in from above. Oh, there's a tape measure in there. Probably fucked anyway. Wasn't my tape measure. Brother Dan's doing an interior clean. He's getting loaded. A good bugger, looking after the gear. As you can tell, these units are not cheap. They're very nice. Little plastic fucking pole hanging off. Wasn't me, bro. It was already been knocked off by someone else, I swear. The brother Hemi's normally in this unit. He does take good care of it. Dan gets thrown around trucks a bit, but he takes good care of the trucks as well. We've got the 510 back. And I fill the trucks up so they got good traction. We're going up the hill, and then we go a bit lighter and the trailer not as full. So they're not too heavy. Good one, you numpty. Could have stopped back a bit. Right up them. Same as I did with the truck, we just drop the bucket right in there. It's not too rough on the trailer or the truck. So I might be rough with my own shit, but I try not to be rough with other people's shit. Especially the boss's shit, we want to keep them happy because we like our job. Yeah. Beautiful day today. Rechuck one more in there. I don't want to make him too heavy. These big alloy bins carry a lot. I don't want to overload them. But also I don't want to underload them. That's you, my breather. Big tough start. All good? Oh, at the farm. Oh, yeah. Made it a bit slippery. Stop you complaining. Are you a truck driver or do you just want to sit in your seat? Do nothing. Like, it's an auto truck, bro. Stop complaining. Yeah, bloody whinging bastard. Go forwards more, bro. Bloody hell. These truck drivers, Fano, I think they got it hard, eh? I'll swap with you, mate. I'll swap with you. Don't be bloody truck licenses, eh? I'm sure I'll do a lot less fucking complaining. Nah, I'm just taking it the piss, Fano. Having a laugh. That's the bro princess in that truck, they call him. Yep, he's a bit of a bloody princess. Nah, take the piss out of him a bit, eh? It's a good bugger. Diesel goods. He takes the piss out of me too. Gotta love it. Gotta have a laugh at work. Keep the mood up. Bloody oath. Getting through the day now. It's our time. Nearly 4 o'clock. What's he whinging about now? Yeah, sweet, bro. It's a little bit heavier on the drive wheels, so I'll truck a bit more up the front than what I did before. Communication is key, whānau. Easy done. Just chuck an extra bucket up the front here. I left her a bit light on at the front of the trailer, which is right above his drive wheels, as you can see. And where he's going, he's lost a bit of traction going up the hill, and it's gravel, and he had to get towed up. So chuck a bit more weight up there, a bit more traction, and hopefully that 510 hearse is up there under a low power. Too easy. One more on him. Here you go, my breather. Thank you very much, Bigot. Get the fuck out of here, mate. Stop fucking around. Good bugger. Yeehaw. Got Aaron. What a beautiful Western Star tractor unit, the trailer. Beauty. Load this bugger up. Coming to the afternoon now, so boys normally, one of them run loads in the morning and in the afternoon, and they get sent to jobs during the day. But I still have a couple on run, throughout the day. They get busy in the morning and busy in the afternoon, which is good because those are the times where you're tired. You're busy, it keeps you going. Really good. Do you eat, mate? Yeah. I know we've got our truck and dog here. They call it a truck and dog because that trailer there is a dog trailer. And to be fair, for a class fucking 5 truck, that's probably the easiest trailer to tow. Because it's just like a car trailer, but a bit slower. So it's nice and easy. I've easiest one to back. I've had a crack at backing a few tractor trailers around the yard just for a bit of practice learning, you know. And that trailer's by far the easiest. And being on a Mitzi as well, short nose, got all the steering lock, it's good, a lot easier. Whereas our Western Star American trucks, like in the Kenworth and that, they got a lot smaller turning circle and radius. But yeah. He does even set the Mitzies up nice though. Mitzies look good too. Jeffers. She can't beat our American truck look. Got a nice unit. Fucking her. Our sun's slowly starting to bug off. Getting through the day now. Bloody good. Bless you, brother Josh. Yeehaw! Up the Mitzi. Alright, Fano, we got Big Craig here. Join the party. Another big alley bin. Drop it in nice and easy. Nice and gentle. Gentle. We get a few buckets in there and then we can start shaking her in from the top. So I'm sure you can imagine how much it would cost to fix one of these bloody alley bins. Another nice unit. It's actually the same truck as the truck and dog, just with a big ass bin on the back and a big ass trailer. Yeehaw! We got the Tama sitting out the back there, ready for another load. Going deep on this trailer. Deep! Deep! We're looking deep! Big crate done and dusted. Another nice unit. made up there. Fucking tree stuff. This time I got his preload for the day. He's done. Might have a couple more preloads and then I'm out of here. Old mate Shay, that truck's alive. It's got eyes. It's got a soul. Bit of boost. Sun's starting to go down. Let's chuck my lights on. Yeehaw. Just gotta load this fella up, do some tidying up, and then should be just about on time. Bloody earth. Day in the life of Trent. All his fucking antics. Trent and his fucking antics. My god. Fucking hell. State of it. Yeah! Oh no! Done preloaded, ready to go for the morning now. Shout out to Shay driving that truck. He gave me a lighter this morning because mine ran out of gas and we can't not have durries throughout the day. I gotta punch back a few darts. Enjoyed that vid, whānau. Make sure you go check out my last video of our Sunday beach mish, and let me know if you like this content and I'll do some more of it at some point. But yes, a little bit of what I get up to at Mahi. Bloody good. Don't forget to subscribe. Got some good shit coming in the next few weeks. Cheer the fucking booze. Yeah.